Very good evening to all. Hope you all understand transportation problem we have studied previous 3 class. Today we'll start with assignment problem. So let's take an easy example. See, this is the question. Now we'll do the solution. So step 1 is number of source is equal to number of destination. In easy word, number of row should equal to number of columns. See, here number of rows is 4, number of column is also 4. Now, proceed to step 2. Step 2 is row subtraction. So, row subtraction means in first row, you will see which of the value is smaller. Here 5, 8, 3, 2. Which is smaller? 2. So we'll subtract 2 for each element of that row. Like 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Like this second row 10, 7, 5, 8. Which is smaller? 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. Third row, like this, third row and fourth row. Third row will subtract by 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. 12 minus 4 is 8. 10 minus 4 is 6. Again, here 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now, we have completed step 2. Proceed to step 3. Step 3 is column subtraction. So, in column subtraction, we'll subtract like this 3, 5, 0, 4. Which is smaller? 0. So, 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. So, write the values as it is. Now, second column. 6, 2, 6, 2. Which is smaller? 2. So, 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. Here, smaller value is 0. So, write the value as it is 1, 0, 8, 5. Here also 0. So, write as it is 0, 3, 6, 0. Now, step 4, the last step. Now, we have to assign. Means, in rectangle, the 0. Starting with row 1, you assign a single 0. If there is more than 1 0, then cross all the 0 in row as well as in column. So, see in first row, here the 0, will end rectangle it. No 0 is there in row and column here. Then we will cross over this. Like this, move to second row. Second row, there is 2 0. Take any of the 1 0. I have assigned this 0. So here, I will cut this 0 and this column, nothing. Move to third row. Third row, here we have assigned this row no 0 and in column also no 0. In fourth row no 0 and column already cut it. So now we'll find total minimum cost. So how to find total minimum cost? See, we have assigned here this 0. So the value of this 0 is, see in the question, 2. We have assigned this 0. Value of this here is 5. We have assigned here this 0. Here 4. And this 0 is 6. We'll see from the question. The values are given in the question. So write total minimum cost here 0. So 2 plus this 0 means 5 plus this 0 4 plus this 0 6. So the total minimum cost is 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 is 17. Hope you all understand this example. Now we'll go for the another example. So this is the second question. So same, we'll do first row subtraction. So here in this row, which of the value is smaller? 11. So we'll subtract 11. 18 minus 11 is 7. 26 minus 11 is 15. 17 minus 11 is 6. 11 minus 11 is 0. So we'll do rest subtraction also. We have done row subtraction. Now the next step is column subtraction. So you know how to do column subtraction. Here 0. So write the values as it is here. 4. Subtract 4 with all the values. 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4. 4 minus 4. Here subtract by 1. Here value as it is. Now we have done row subtraction. We have done column subtraction. Now we'll assign it. Okay. So start assigning 0. First start with first row. First row. Here row there is no 0 and column there is 2 zeros. So cross it. Second row there is 2 0. I will take this 0. Take any of the 0. Okay, no problem. Here we'll cut this and here nothing. In third row this 0. And in fourth row there is no 0. So in the above matrix, row 4 has no assignment and also column has also no assignment. So now what to do? See, there should be also in rectangle 0 here, but there is no 0. So this is not the final answer. Now the next step is, since row 4 does not have any assignment. See, row 4 does not have any assignment. So we mark this row tick. This row don't have any 0. Mark this tick. Okay. Now listen carefully. Now there is a cross mark. See, there is a cross 0 in this mark row. In the mark row there is a cross 0. है ना? And this cross 0 is in fourth column. So we'll mark fourth column now. Again visit fourth column and there is an assigned 0. See, in fourth column assigned 0. So we again mark again in first row. See, step 1 is row 4 does not have any assignment. So we tick mark this row. Now there is a cross 0. In this mark row there is a cross 0. So we have tick mark this. Now we'll visit this column and see where is the assigned 0. In the first row. So we'll tick mark this. Okay. Now draw straight lines through all unmarked rows and marked columns. Unmarked row. Unmarked row means this, है ना? So draw it like this. Unmarked row and marked column. Marked column means this column. Draw a straight line. Now write the zeros as it is. Okay. So here we'll write 0. Here also in this row 0. In this row 2 0 है ना? Here 0. Here also 0. Now determine the minimum uncovered number. Uncovered, which is not covered. See, it is covered. No, we have drawn the straight line. which is not covered. 7, 11, 5, 9, 12, 13. Which is smaller among this? 5. So now subtract 5 from uncovered numbers. 7 minus 5 is 2. 11 minus 5 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. So we'll not subtract this because it is covered with straight line. Now again uncover is here in row 4. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 12 minus 5 is 7. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now add 5 to number covered by lines, that is intersection of lines. Intersection of lines means where the line intersect. Here, here, here lines are there. Where the lines are intersect? See, here at this point and at this point. So we'll add 5 by this 2. 13 plus 5 is 18 and 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay. So I am repeating again. First you have to determine minimum uncovered number. Uncovered number. Minimum 7, 11, 5, 9, 12, 13. Which is minimum? 5. Now you have to subtract 5 only by uncovered numbers. 7, 11, 5, 9, 12, 13. You have to subtract by 5. Okay. Then the next step is add 5 to number of covered by intersection of lines. Intersection of lines. This and this. You will add by 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. 0 plus 5 is 5. And write the remaining values as it is. 11, 23, 2. Okay. See. Now again we'll repeat the method. We'll start in rectangle. Okay. Now start from again. You can start with any of the row. Now I am starting with row 4th. Why? Because in row 4 there is single 0. So I am starting from here. I have in rectangle this 0. So rest of the row will cancel from row and as well as in column. 0 also cross it. See. Then here only 1 0. Here there is 2 0. I am taking this. So it will automatically cut. And here this. See. All the values are assigned in rows as well as in columns. But here see, row 4 is not assigned and column 3 is not assigned. So here we can't stop here. You have to do this step. Now see here, all the values are in rectangle. Now we can find total minimum cost. So you know how to find total minimum cost. Here 0 is in rectangle. So what is the value? Here you have to see in the question. 0. 17 will write here. 17 plus. Here this 0 is in rectangle. The question here is 13. Will write here 13. Here again 0. So the question is 19. Here this 0 is in rectangle. So here is 10. See, plus 10. So the answer is 17 plus 13 plus 19 plus 10, 59. The total minimum cost is 59. Hope you all understand this. I have taken two examples. First the easy one and the second is also easy but little logical. Yes, hope it is interesting and useful for you all. It might be easier now. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you all understand this. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Now we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.